ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು KVS ಅಥವಾ EMRS TGT और PGT ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ 15 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇರೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹುಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಇಲ್ವೋ ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. x² plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus x whole square plus 3. This is the first option given. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ x² plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus x whole square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು a minus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a² ಅಂದರೆ 4² which is nothing but 16 plus b² ಅಂದರೆ x² minus 2ab. 2 into a ಅಂದರೆ 4 into b x. ಸೊ 2 into a into b 2 into a into b plus 3. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x² ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x² ಇದೆ. x² ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆರಡೇ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ -8x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x² ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದೆಮ್. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಯಿತು, ಇರೋದೇ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, -2x² is equal to 5 minus x into 2x minus 2/5. This is the second option given. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -2x² is equal to, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 into 2x will be 10x minus 5 into 2/5 minus x into 2x will be minus 2x², minus into minus plus 2x/5 plus 2x/5. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ -2x² ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ -2x² ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಗ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, k plus 1 into x² plus 3/2 into x is equal to 7. ಸೊ ಏನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, k plus 1 into x² plus 3/2 into x is equal to 7, where k is equal to -1. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ k ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, k is equal to -1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದರ -1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ kನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get -1 plus 1 x² plus 3/2 x is equal to 7. ಸೊ -1 plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 plus 1 x² ಇದು. ಸೊ -1 plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0x² plus 3/2 x is equal to 7 ಬಂತು. x² ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗೋಯಿತು. 0x² ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ 0. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, 3 ಮೂರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ x³ minus x² is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ 3 ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ರೂಟ್. ಈ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ರೂಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ 2 ಆಸ್ ದ ರೂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಆಸ್ ಎ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. ಈಗ put x is equal to 2. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ LHSನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಮೈನಸ್ 12 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 12. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 12. ಸೊ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಮೈನಸ್ 12 ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವರು 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 7x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನ್ನ LHS. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 ಇಂಟು 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 14 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. 2 4s are 8 minus 14 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ equal to RHS ಬಂತು. So 0 is equal to RHS. The third option is the correct answer for the second question. So ಯಾವತ್ತು which of the following equation has 2 as a root ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just we have to substitute the value of x as 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ 1/2 ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5/4 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ದೆನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5/4 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1/2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ x square plus kx minus 5/4 is equal to 0. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ k. But we know that 1/2 is the root of the equation. That means x is equal to 1/2. So ಈಗ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1/2ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I'll be getting 1/2 whole square plus k into 1/2 minus 5/4 is equal to 0. So after further simplification I can do it as 1/4 plus k by 2 minus 5/4 equal to 0. So here the LCM will be 4. 4 LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will be 1 plus into 2 into 1. 2k minus 5 is equal to 0. So if I take 4 to right hand side it becomes 0. 1 minus 2k minus 5, because 4 into 0 is 0, it will get 0. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 2k is equal to 0. I'll shift this minus 2k to right hand side. So minus 4 is equal to 2k. To find the value of k, I'll shift this 2 to left hand side. It becomes minus 4/2 is equal to k. After simplification, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So minus 2 is equal to k. The value of k is equal to minus 2. The correct option is second option, minus 2. Next question. Values of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square minus kx plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು equal roots. Equal roots ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ we have to write its discriminant. Discriminant ಅಂದರೆ we have to write its discriminant means b square minus 4ac. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು, it has equal roots anta. So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we can tell that the given quadratic equation has equal roots. So kotiro quadratic equation is 2x square minus kx plus k is equal to 0. Or already in the question kottidare it has equal roots anta. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So from the given quadratic equation we need to write the values of a, b and c. a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus k and c is equal to k. These are the given values from the quadratic equation. So if we substitute that in the formula, so I'll get b square is minus k whole square minus 4 into a 2 into k is equal to 0. So I'll be getting the answer as k square minus 8k is equal to 0. Now from these two I can take out k as the common. K into k minus 8 is equal to 0. So here I can write the roots as either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to k minus 8 is equal to 0, which is nothing but k is equal to 8. I got two roots for the answer, 0 and 8. So the answer is both 1 and 3. The option 4 is the correct answer, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ first option 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, second option 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, third option 8. Fourth option ಅಲ್ಲಿ both 1 and 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k is equal to 0 ಬಂತು, k is equal to 8 ಬಂತು. The value of k ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು values ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So the option is both 1 and 3. Next question. Which constant must be added and subtracted to solve the quadratic equation 9x square plus 3 by 4x minus root 2 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square? So here we have to add and subtract a constant for the given quadratic equation. So in order to solve the quadratic equation by using completing square method, very simple. We have a formula used for completing square method quadratic equation. The formula is, the fifth question, formula is for completing square method, completing the square method, formula used for quadratic equation is x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Here you could see the term b by 2a whole square. This term is the constant term which we will be adding and subtracting to the given quadratic equation. So now the given quadratic equation is 9x square plus 3 by 4x minus root 2 is equal to 0. I can write this as 3x whole square plus 3 by 4 into x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Here this is my x term, x square term, it is of the form 3x whole square. So here the coefficient of x is 3, the value of a is equal to 3. The value of b is equal to 3 by 4 and c is equal to minus root 2. As I said earlier, the constant term which we will be adding or subtracting is b by 2a whole square term. So now b by 2a whole square is equal to, the value of b is 3 by 4 divided by 2a, 2 into 3 whole square. So I'll get the answer as 3 by 4, 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 by, if there is nothing, it will be 1 whole square. Now this can be written as 3 by 4 into 1 by 6 the whole square. 3 by 4 into 1 by 6 the whole square. Now I can simplify this as 3 ones are 3 twos are. So I am left out with numerator 1 into 1 is 1 and in the denominator 4 into 2 which is 8. So I am left out with 1 by 8 whole square. 1 by 8 whole square. So here I'll get the answer as 1 by 64. So the correct option which is in the given question is option 2, 1 by 64. Very simple. You just have to know the formula by completing the square method, and this b by 2a whole square term is the addition or subtraction of the constant term. If you just find b by 2a whole square term, you will get the answer for the question. The next question. The quadratic equation 2x square minus square root 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 has, the first option is 2 distinct real roots, 2 equal real roots, no real roots, or more than 2 real roots. So as I said earlier, we need to find the discriminant for the given question in order to tell whether it has equal, distinct, or no real roots. So the given question is 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. How do we find the discriminant? Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, in the given quadratic equation, the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus root 5 and c is equal to 1. Now, we'll substitute in the discriminant. That implies b square minus root 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1. I'll get the answer as minus root 5 whole square will be 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So it is less than 0. If that is, I'm getting b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the option is it has no real roots. The third option is the correct option. The third option is the correct option, that is it has no real roots, because I got b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is minus 3 as the value. The next question asked is, which of the following equations has two distinct real roots? Which of the following equation has two distinct real roots? The options are 2x square minus 3 root 2x plus 9 by 4 is equal to 0, x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0, x square plus 3x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0, and the last one is 5x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Here it is asked as two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots means the discriminant should be greater than 0. That is, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Now let us take the first option given, that is 2x square minus 3 root 2x plus 9 by 4 equal to 0. Here the value of a is 2, b is equal to minus 3 root 2 and c is equal to 9 by 4. Now if I find the discriminant, it will be b square, that means minus 3 root 2 whole square is minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 9 by 4. I'll get the answer as 9 2s are 18. If I simplify this, I'll be getting 3 3s are 9 and root 2 square is 2. 9 2s are 18 minus these 4 to get cancelled, 9 2s are 18. So it is equal to 0. Here the discriminant became 0, but it is, if it is 0, then it has equal roots. But the question asked is two distinct real roots. It should be greater than 0. So we'll go with the next option. X square plus x minus 5 equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5. Now discriminant is equal to b square. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. I'll get the answer as 1 plus 20, which is equal to, if I simplify this, I'll be getting 20, which is equal to 21, which is greater than 0. So here the option 2 is the correct answer. X square plus x minus 5 equal to 0 has distinct real roots. No need to check for other two, as we have got the answer in the second option. The next question asked is, which of the following equations, the eighth question is, which of the following equations has no real roots? So no real roots means the discriminant should be less than 0. That is, b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. Here the question is, we have given with 4 options. We have to check in which option the b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We will go with the first one. The first one is x square minus 4x plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3 root 2. We'll just check with the discriminant. B square means minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3 root 2. I'll get the answer as 16 minus 12 root 2. So here we got 16 minus 12 root 2. So approximately if you find the value of 12 root 2, it will be greater than 0. It will be around 16.8. If you put root 2 as 1.414 and multiply, you will be getting greater than 16. So if you here you have 16 and here you have 16.8. If you subtract the answer b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. You will get negative value here. So after simplifying 16 minus 12 root 2, you will be getting the negative value which is less than 0. So option 1 is the correct answer. So here for the 8th question, option 1 is the correct answer. So the next question, 9th question. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0 has, first one, 4 real roots, 2 real roots, no real root, 1 real root. We have to find what is the root for the given question. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square. So it's very simple to do this question. Let's start doing this. The ninth question is x square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. So we'll just simplify the given equation. After applying the formula, we will be getting as a plus b whole square formula. I will get x power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square minus x square is equal to 0. Here this one is a plus b whole square formula which is applied for this. Now I will be getting x power 4 plus 1 plus x square is equal to 0. So I can write x power 4 as x square whole square plus, I'll take this x square to this side and plus 1 to this side. I'll be getting, I'm just rearranging the terms. X square whole square plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So put x square is equal to y. In the place of x square, just take it as y. So the equation becomes y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us see the discriminant of this. So the discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. Here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 in this equation, and c is equal to 1. The coefficient of y is 1. So it is a is equal to 1. Similarly, coefficient of y is 1 here. So b is equal to 1 and the value of c is equal to 1. So now let us see what is the discriminant. So it is b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So I got the answer as 1 square minus 4 which is equal to minus 3. So here I am getting the value for discriminant b square minus 4ac as minus 3, which is less than 0. So I can tell that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, the correct answer is the given quadratic equation has no real roots. So the given quadratic equation has no real roots as the discriminant is less than 0. Next, the 10th question. The 10th question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 4x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to, this is the most repeated question in all the exams based on the roots of the equation. Very important question and very easy to do too. The given equation is, quadratic equation is 4x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. We need to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now we know the sum of roots and product of roots for the given quadratic equation. That is sum of roots. Here alpha and beta are the roots. Sum of roots is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Here in the given quadratic equation, we need to record the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 7. So let us write the sum of roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a means minus 3 by 4. Similarly, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C by a means 7 by 4. We got the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now we need to find the values of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This is the main important which we need to find. So the value is, now we'll take the given thing 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. I can write this as, by taking the LCM, alpha into beta. Here it becomes beta plus alpha, which is nothing but alpha plus beta. Now we know what is the sum of the roots. Sum of roots we got here is minus 3 by 4 and product of root is 7 by 4. Let us substitute these values in the simplified form. So it becomes minus 3 by 4 divided by 7 by 4. So after simplification, I'll take this to the numerator. It becomes minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 7. So 4 gets cancelled. The answer will be minus 3 by 7. So the correct answer for the given question is minus 3 by 7, the option 1. So in the next video, I'll be solving top 10 questions of this chapter, quadratic equations, which has occurred in EMRS, KVS, TGT and PGT exams. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.